Hi, this is Jason West at jasonwest.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can set up a help desk for your website. And in fact, you can set up multiple help desks for each brand or website that you have using Kartra. So as you can see, I've got 3 help desks right there already. So rather than just go and create a new one, it's just as easy for me to edit one of these to show you how you can do it. So first of all, on the left hand side in Kartra, you've got My Help Desks, and you've got a link to each of your help desks that you can then use anywhere. So if you want to go and put a link on your WordPress website, for example, to go to this help desk, so everything's kept centrally within Kartra, you can. You just click on link here, and then you've got like a sort of standard Kartra link, but you can put it on your own subdomain if you want to. So for example, this particular one, I'm just going to put on there, and I'm just going to call it Help Desk, and that's on my domain, jasonwest.com. There we are. So now, if we go to that URL, let's just nip over, and I'll show you what it looks like, and you get to change a little bit of this as well. So there's My Help Desk, and on the left hand side, you've usually got an image of some sort. You can change this text. And then they've got the option of how they speak with you, and you've got a ticket system here, so it's got an inbuilt ticket system. And then you've got live chat here as well if you are online with your live chat. And then also you can put your Skype in as well if you want to, so people can contact you via Skype. So it's a really nice, neat system that you can customize to look with your colors or a selection of colors, and you can change the image. Now let's just show you how you can do that. So if I edit this particular one, this is just going to take you through the process really that you normally would if you were going to set up the help desk. So hosting the actual help desk, you can host it on your own website, so you can put the embeddable code and then you get that nice little floating icon saying help and so on your own website. Or you can have it on your own Kartra website. So very, very good how you can do that. And then you get to choose your logo as well. That's very easy. You can just click change. You can choose the background color for your logo as well. And actually, do you know what? While we are here, I am going to change my color scheme. Picked color history. Let's take a look. I think it was this color. I'm going to change that to match my logo background there as well. So let's do that quick. If I just go there, I think I can just delete it that way. Bing, there we go. That looks a bit neater. Nice. And then, as I say, you can choose your color scheme, and they've got a ton of them here. I would imagine at one point you'll be able to color drop and pick the exact color just like you can with the logo background. But for the moment you can flick through, and as you can see, there's loads of different colors there, like aqua green and lime green and so on. I like this one as it goes with my brand, so I'm going to keep it like that. And then you can change if you want this big image there, you can leave it there. Or you can upload your own, and also you can have an overlay color. So you can see I've got like an overlay color and then the opacity set to 20. So if you want to, you can see what it does. It just makes that darker like that. Actually, it does look a little bit better darker in a way, doesn't it? Do you know what? I'm gonna keep it at 60. And then if you want to, you can change the image that's in the background with a load of pre-selected images like this. There's tons of them. I won't go through them all. I actually might just keep that one there as well. And then you can change your text there from happy to help you to yada yada. So really nice and flexible way to create your custom help desk. And then we go on to the next part here, and you get to choose departments. So you can have multiple departments so that your people, your customers, can choose exactly where they want to send their message. And you can leave them for sort of internal use if you want to as well. Like it says here, you can keep this private. So public departments are going to be listed on your help desk so that your front end users can decide which department they want to do it. Or you can leave them as private, and then you decide when the ticket comes in where it's allocated so that the correct person deals with it. So it's really, really flexible. Then you've got the channels that you want to take your support through. I haven't selected phone because I don't want phone calls, but if I did, I could just put the phone number in there and all the details of how often we're open and everything, and then click activate, and that will then activate that channel, and it will be an option for people to be able to contact you that way. Now you've got the opportunity to go and select a particular product name, and this is the product name that people would expect to be getting support for. So I think I just put course to cash there just to try something out. But you can put in any product name that you want that you sell, so the person can then understand that that is what it is they're getting the support for. So I'm going to click configure later. In fact, no, I'm just going to put something in there like that just to allow me to complete my help desk. And then you can write your own support wiki to reduce people submitting tickets, and we can get them to have a look at a knowledge base before they even enter an actual ticket or a support request. So throughout Kartra, you've got all these little drop downs like this, which are going to give you a bit of advice about that particular feature. Here you go. Providing a comprehensive FAQ list is always of help to your customers. Make sure you organize your articles. So basically it's like an article directory. You can click there, create a wiki knowledge base, create your first category. So let's just put courses there, category description, I'll just put anything. And there we go. And now we get to add an actual full article, a support article, and then we can select that particular product that it's about. And also you can put tags in there to help people find this article. So, you know, what a great system, and it's all inbuilt into Kartra and can be used on Kartra sites or even just on a WordPress website, any website you want. So for the moment, I am just going to click configure later on there, and we'll just move on. And then you've got automation. So anybody who submits a ticket, perhaps you're using a help desk system for people who haven't even got a product from you and they're not even a customer. So if you want to at this point, you can also capture them as a lead, capture their name and email and put them straight into a list of your choice. You can also assign a tag to them as well. So that's also a very useful feature, and I'm going to do some more videos on tags at another time. So as you can see there, look, subscribe to lists. That's the option to put them into a specific list. You can also subscribe them to a funnel of a sequence of emails as well. So, you know, huge help. And then moving on, that's it. There's your link there. So you can use that to send anybody to. And you've also got the opportunity to create your own signature. So every time, to save you having to put regards, your name, or whatever, you can create a signature, and then that will just go in automatically. And also another great feature of this help desk software, which is quite common amongst many software companies that do this, is having canned responses, because it saves you an awful lot of time. If people keep asking the same question, you know, like, is your checkout secure or whatever, bam, you create yourself a canned response that then says, here's some examples, guys. Speed up your customer support experience and ensure consistency in your answers, which is really good. For example, if somebody does ask for a refund and it's after your refund period of, say, 14 days, and you've got lots of staff answering these tickets, you want to make sure they're all saying the same thing. So to do that, you can set up a canned response, and then they can just bang that answer straight in. And just down here is how you do it. Look, create a new canned response name, refund request. For example, you could have them go and fill out a form in order to get a refund, and then put that in here, please go to the following URL to request a refund, or whatever it is you want to do, you know what I'm saying? And then just put the link in there to a Kartra page if you wanted to, where they can request the refund. Then you choose which help desk this applies to, and you can have it to apply to multiple help desks as well, so you don't have to keep doing it more than once if you've got similar products on different URLs. So brilliant system. Really like this help desk software, and it's just all inbuilt. Now the reason that's saying that it's not configured correctly is because I started to do the wiki and then didn't complete it. So what we can do there is just have don't create a wiki knowledge base, click confirm and save and next. So the good thing about Kartra is that it kind of doesn't let you make mistakes. It makes sure that everything is done properly, or you can't move on, or it can't go live. So that's one of the many things I really like about Kartra. So that's how you create Helpdesk software. I'm Jason West. You can find me on jasonwest.com if you want to learn more about this stuff and how we can help grow your business, look after your customers, all of that kind of stuff. And then if you want to actually try Kartra out, then just use the URL underneath if you don't mind. It's my affiliate link. It'd be great if you could sign up with that, and then I'll give you even more help. There's a $1 trial, and then it's very, very cheap per month. I think the starter plan is like 99 bucks a month, and it does way more than just help desks, guys. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you real soon.